Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, we want to learn how to actually sort your design resources. When you group your design resources into a single folder for easy finding, or you want to share them to someone so you can send a single file. You group your fonts, you group your every folder, every design resources, you group them into a single file, and you'll be able to share them in a single file. The first thing is to download this. I know you have this already. This is Zachiver or Zachiver. So you should have this. This is used to extract fonts. Okay. So when you tap on this, you can see right here. You can see this my font, though I don't use this for font, but I just named this folder as my font. When I tap on this, you can see these are some of the things I've saved here. So I'll be clicking on back. So to create a folder, I'll just tap on this plus icon. You can see, so just tap on it. You can, when you tap here, let's tap, you can see you can, this is used to create a archive, but I prefer you to create a folder at first, then you can later archive it or archive, whichever it's called. So I'll be clicking on this plus icon again, the one above here. So when you tap on it, you can see this new folder. So let's say I want to rename this. When I'm renaming this as, for instance, design engineering, I click on OK and OK. So if a folder is created, but once you are searching for a folder, for instance here, or on a system, you want to share the file to someone, there's tendency you might not see them. I save this as design engineer, so this is it from ABCD. You can see, so this is D. Let's say you are saving your folder as Z, so that means every time you are looking for that particular folder, you just need to go below. But I would suggest you to do this instead. When you just highlight this, you just scroll up here, you see rename. So these files are grouped according to their names. So when you click on cancel this way, when you come to this three dots icon, to these three dots, this view option, when you tap on it, you can see the settings. When you see sort below, you see A to Z. You can sort by size, you can sort by dates you actually create the folder, you can sort by type, and for this one is selected A to Z. I think that's the default setting. So that means you need to start finding the folder. So I would suggest you to just highlight this and come down here and click on rename. So once you want to rename and you want to use something like this name in particular, I would just suggest you to just add something like 1 in terms of hierarchy. When I click on 1 and click on OK, you'll be seeing this image, this folder as 1. And if you want other folder to be at the top, in numerical value, 0 should be above 1. So then you can do that to that. See, you can see this one is 0.01 is above that one. So you can do multiple things to that. So the next thing is you tap on this folder. You can actually come to this plus icon again to create another folder, but I will be moving some files. You can also move your fonts, your design resources into a single folder. So once you click on share, you'll be able to share them at once. So I'll be coming to this second application, the one I prefer the most. Welcome back, guys. This is Phonics. I prefer using this application. You can use your file, you can use your file manager to actually do the same thing I'm about to share with you here. So what are we doing is to actually, this is a document, okay? So when I highlight this, you can see this option move. So when I tap on move, I tap on internal storage because that is the default settings I use. So this is the new folder you just created. So that's design engineer 1. So I'll click on tab. You can see the option here to create a new folder. So if you've not downloaded Zachiver, you can actually use this too. So I'll be coming to my design engineer and you click on confirm. Go back to our Zachiver to see if it is true. Okay, so I will be tapping on this and you can see the file is moved here. So that is to that, but I will be sharing with you again if you are downloading font or design resources and you actually want to move it straight down here. So let's say at the other side, this is a Times New Roman font. Just tap on any of the two. I'll just tap on Times New Roman. So when I click on open right here, so I can see the font, and when I tap on enable multiple select, so I'm selecting multiple of this thing. So I'll come to my down button over here and click on the other one again. So it's asking me where am I going to save the folder, and if you click on this down button, it's going to just extract it into that. It will not be grouped into a single folder. So there is an option right here. Yes, just check look at my left hand side. You can see device storage, you can see the device SD card, but our folder is created into the device SD card. So I'll just tap on this device SD card and I'll tap on this. So then I'll click on this down button and you see it is extracted right here. So this is how you can actually group your design resources. You can actually create them in group file and you can start selling them to people. That's if you are creating a content, you are creating whichever thing. And we've come to the end of this video. So guys, if you found this helpful, consider to share this video to people so that people will be able to benefit, and click on the subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll see you guys the other time. Peace.